guys, welcome to the channel, The Introverted Beauty. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, for today's video, I will be reviewing, not even reviewing, just unboxing my Juvia's Places. I guess it's a Valentine's Mystery Day box. It is going to be short and sweet because there's not many items in it. I did peek, so I already know it's in there. I couldn't wait, no self-control involved. So guys, if you want to see what it is that I received in this Juvia's Place mystery box, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into it, I did want to say this is like hours old makeup. I did this before I went out to my Valentine's lunch with my boyfriend. So if I look janky, don't judge me, okay? Do not judge me. And again, don't judge me. So before we get into it, I did want to mention, since it's only fitting, you can't see it because I have my camera propped up. But I do have a candle of the day. And this one is the Bath & Body Works Be Mine's Candy Heart. And I decided to use that one, of course, because it's Valentine's Day. So cute. It's so on trend with what today is. So yeah, why not? It don't really smell like much or nothing. I don't know. I haven't been burning it very long, so I don't know too much about the throw. But enough of me rambling. We all know I love to ramble. Let's get on into the box. If I can find where I put it. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, dog Courtney. Okay, so like I said, I've already opened it, and this was the box that it came in. It didn't even come in a bag like I thought it would, but then again, it did say mystery box. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed when I got it and I opened it because I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more than what it is. It was like no tissue, no nothing. Everything was nice and wrapped nicely, but it was nothing special. It was just like items thrown into the box. And in fact, I did order 2 mystery boxes and they just threw everything in the same box. I've already given my daughter her stuff, so this is just what comes in one box, okay? So like I said, they just threw everything in the box, no rhyme or reason. Everything just got thrown in. So the first item I'm going to pick up is the Queen palette, Fumi X Juvias. And I'm going to say, like, the artwork on this is stunning. It's gorgeous. She's gorgeous, in real life. So whoever did this artwork did a bomb-ass job. But this is what it looks like. You open it up. And, of course, everything is bubble wrapped. And it's the same artwork on the front of this as it is on the unit carton. But when you open it, you get 6 huge shades. I don't want to call it shadows because you can use it for blush. You can use it for eyeshadow. You could use it for a bunch of, there's a few things you could use for highlighters. Just a bunch of different stuff. So this is what it looks like. And they actually call this a multifunctional palette. And I definitely understand. I understand why, but you get a cute purple, red, like a goldish, I don't really know, champagne, light brownish, beigeish pink, and then a pink. So these are the shades. I will swatch it. They feel nice and buttery. If you've been here for a while, we all know Courtney sucks at swatching, so I'm going to try my best, okay? So this would be Adrian is the purple. Olay is the red, and then this pretty shade, which I don't know how to describe, at the bottom, the third shade is Glam, and it is a glamorous shade, so I definitely see why they named it that. Okay, let me see. All right, so then we're starting at the 4th shade. We have FDV approved. I have no idea what FDV means. So if you know, please let me know in the comments. Next, we have Sister Sister. And then lastly, this pink shade, it is, oh my God, my elbow. Sorry, guys. But lastly, we have 7, which is the pink shade. And I'm not going to lie, like, I'm out there when it comes to color. So I would definitely use this purple, not only for eyeshadow, but a blush as well. Even a lip topper, like if you put a clear lip gloss. You could definitely put that over top and bring some color to your lips. All of these shades, like the two middle shades, 3 and 4, could be used as highlight. It's just good, and everything felt so nice, so buttery. It's a good palette. Next in here we have, oh, this is just the receipt. We have a red I don't know if this is lip gloss or lipstick, but it's in the shade Nefertiti, and this is what it is. So nice, so pretty. Let me read the receipt. Maybe it'll tell us. Nope. So I don't know if it's a lip gloss or a liquid lip. I'm not going to open it because I have so many lips to get through. I don't want to open it and waste it. And lastly, in this box, you heard right, I said lastly, you got 3 products for $15, so not too bad. But this is a Luxe liner in Scorpio. This is it. Let me open it and show you guys. It's a retractable top or tip, whatever. And I'm gonna, here we go. There we go. Look at my big hand. But that's the lip. It's like a burgundy brown, like it's just a deep color. It's so gorgeous. I've noticed like most shades in liners that says Scorpio is like a deep shade. So, and fun facts, I'm a Scorpio. We're the best. But yes, guys, that is it. So we got a liner, a multifunctional palette, and some kind of lippy. So these are the 3 products you get for $15. And yes, I was going to do like a Valentine's Day look with this, but I ended up using my ColourPop palette, which I must say is bomb too. It was so good. Let me show you my eyeshadow, if it's even still showing you guys. So I just used the Pink Row, and I've gotten so many compliments about it today, about my eye look. So I was feeling myself. But yeah, guys, that palette is so good. If you haven't gotten it, it's the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette. You have to get your hands on it. It's so good. It's like my new favorite palette. It's just a rainbow palette, and I use, like I said, the first row of the pink shades. Nothing special. So guys, this video was short and sweet, so I'm going to wrap it up. But I did want to say, please, if you're not subscribed yet, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Give this video 2 thumbs up. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.